God do your own part. Make me do my part. Ahem. Thank you, Blessing, for your time, because now the first to do one, I get a lot of job. The second to do one, to carry and copy and paste it. Can't sweet. Blessing, you do it. All right, guys. So let me play it. It's this thing, I don't know whether Lolo go breathe after this video. Whether she not go come for me, because she dey look for who she want put the annoyance with body. She just dey find all way. Anybody join enter a trap now, we be say, in Monica issue don't set now. It don't read though, mama. But anyway, nevertheless, I'm equal to the task. No say now that one they beat some people. You go say, why they go for the big people? Why you not come for me? Why are you always chasing the big one? Me not they see the bigness in any of them. I know they see any bigness or any of them. Yeah. Let me try to connect my Bluetooth so we can start. May I connect my Bluetooth first, or otherwise this is my phone. We not go here. We not go here. We not go here at all. Don't connect. We need to, okay. I have catching it, yeah. All right.
It's content for Lolo, more or less. And that is because we have seen that most of our videos this entire week have been about Monica. So if Monica doesn't do any video in 1 week, that means...
Who they bring Peking come out? He say, Kate, why you allow your Peking to be bullied for you? For you una stupidity, una own. Who they bring Peking come out? That person is so stupid. The time where time knock, so now the time where they still the bully person Peking. Who they even follow na buyer? Who they follow na buyer? Not be bully na bully, but una own, not be even bully. Not be anybody wey bully my Peking. I go they look am now. When come I want take over that person, now you go know. Imoti get do. Or here because we na bullying. Anybody where they go for children now, they are just what do you expect them to do before now? So they cry now. Going for children. May they not let Blessy sit down now. Blessy be there. All right, let's go there.
Lolo would be struggling with content.
Thank you,
maybe,
Yare.
or maybe we should come forward with something that nobody is going to watch, because that is what it looks like. Like if she's just doing her own thing, people don't care much. But when she's doing Monica, then people are rushing there to watch. So well, she responded to Monica doing makeup in the car. At the end of the day, I feel like this woman, like I've said it before, I'm not surprised at this utterance. And I'm going to reiterate that this woman doesn't know how social media works. Look, I don't know the reason Monica did makeup in her car. She might have her own reason. But if anyone knows how social media works, they are not going to be talking about where someone does a video. Someone can decide to do a video.
Nigeria people not know that one. Nigeria people not know that one at all. Say you can create a content in any place, in any area, in anything, in any, you know, now only when you and the person get problem, now you can't use them like, look at this one, look. Even now Lolo start that thing. Now she imposed that bullying for a lot of people head. Now she imposed that bullying, like that they do this one, they do that one, that they do that one. All these children bullying, family bullying, mama, papa bullying, and all stuff like that. Sorry to say, I'm not even sorry saying it, because people, they are aware. Now Lolo start all these things. And you know, anything where one person does start, a lot of people will start doing it. All right? I don't know why not the crowd. Not be me do this video.
Content in really special places. Because you know why you're on social media. You want that intrigue. You want something special, something new. And maybe Monica feels like people watch her more when she does videos from inside the car. If you guys remember the video she did about, I think, Coco Buri, about Tonto Dike and Annie Idibia, she did from inside her car. And
also,
those videos scored very high. They did very well. So maybe she saw her statistics and thought, people like my videos when I do them from inside the car. Let me do this one. Maybe, we don't know. We don't know how social, like many of these people, they just don't think. They don't know how social media works. It really doesn't matter where you do makeup or where you do anything. You understand? At the end of the day, so it doesn't even change anything. I don't know what she's trying to prove here. That okay, she's doing makeup in her car.
If talk inside car every day, the way she dey talk. If na Percy, e get one day when she new start work, when she new start the NHM or BHNS, when she new start am, she drive more than 2 hours round. Like I was like, I know. She go stop the camera, come back again, stop the. I was like, I don't understand. If na another person that day, I don't notice that thing for Lolo, but the waiting she dey always, that is, if she never fed do that thing, no problem. If another person they do and she must use and bully you, she go use and laugh you. But if now she for they do that thing, she can't do one. She's good to go, no problem, nobody will talk, and enough is enough. You cannot be bullying people and people will just be seeing you doing your thing and you are fine by anything where you do. But anything where person do, it is bad. Now you go bully people children, now you go bullying people husband, now you go come on small name where they go call your husband, you go want go hug transformer. I don't know whether na juju or be na your village people do that thing. Me any little thing they make you angry, but you go they do people big thing. That thing they do Lolo, most especially, I don't notice her many times. She's good to do anybody, anything she pleases. And one thing, Lolo not get forgiving spirit. Lolo and another presenter, now get that spirit. They don't have forgiving spirit. When they talk out of that. You see the talk. You see the vibration from their face. You see the talk, say the thing they... If the person is there, they can easily put poison for that person food may chop. Now Lolo and another presenter like that, they look them like these people are just people I can never pray to come across their path. If they get poison, they feel put on for your food may you chop. Because when they are talking, you can feel and see that anger in them. They talk out of, no, now you don't live life like that. You don't do things like that. You don't live life like that. Learn to love people. First and foremost, before you learn how to love people, love yourself. Love everything about you. Love your environment. That without all these things, you cannot extend it. Is what you have, you give. You can't give what you don't have. You know, before you now practicing to love people, try to love everything within you. Even the water where you take the bath. If it enter your mouth, not throw away spit, swallow and why? You love yourself. Uwe water when you take the bath, if you enter your mouth, you not go throw away all the spit. You throw away some, you swallow some. Why? You so much love yourself. But if you don't love yourself, anything anybody do, whether indirect or directly, you will pick offense in it. Because why? The hatred is too big. The hatred is too big. Whether not direct or whether not indirect, now me this person talk to. He will not go scot-free. Let me talk to. He will not go scot-free. No, it's not good. Learn to also, when love day, when you have that love, there are things you see, it don't annoy you. It just be like the period where Spirit God sent us, say, Allah, I'm telling you the truth. Me, myself, I laugh to the extent people was asking me what is amusing you. Like, he say, those voice of truth, he put mat for, he mat be like, upu, I say talk that word again, upu mat for periods. Or where boy barara no book by a period. That thing I did wanna, now sort of it. Even the woman said, when he tried to talk to me was that, not so many people get mad. I laugh. Why? The love is there. If the love is there, there are some things you will laugh over. There are some things you look and laugh over. You just take it as if this one a matty day. But when the love is not there totally, whether the person is joking with you or the person mean it or it does not mean it, you pick offense. That is why when people insult me directly or you go, I will not easily come for you. But when you now say, no, who be me? You want carry and pass. Now that thing, they vex me like, No. This person where you they carry this insult go give is more than you. He senior you, he do everything than you. All right? Let's try to love ourselves. That one is very important. Mostly when you are working with crowd. If love is not there, it's not working.
At least she has a car she can sit in and do makeup. Like, sometimes I'm just trying to figure out the essence behind, some analysis. I just can't. Anyway, that was Lolo's video for today. And Monica also did a video today. Let's watch what she did. And you guys know today is the final challenge day.
Now, final.
If you be our Benin presenter, you know you are doing well for yourself. You are doing great. You are not in midst of all these low lives. God has blessed you. He has differentiated you. If low life talk to you, don't answer them.
Don't answer them.
I am telling you.
That is why I don't answer to all of them.
Okay, so I think she was dishing out advice to someone. Maybe someone responded to someone else and she was like, no, that's not the way to go. Don't respond. So I'm just wondering if she's also going to take her own advice and no longer respond to Lolo dragging herself in the mud. Because basically, imagine a situation whereby Lolo continues to do videos about Monica and Monica never responds. Like, it's going to be tough. It's going to be hard to know that someone is just somewhere in one corner abusing me and you're not talking. But at the end of the day, we know what the Englishman says. Silence is the best answer for a fool. Yeah. At the end of the day, Lolo will continue to do videos alone. Then people are going to start looking at her like, you're fighting someone who is not fighting you. You said, come on my name for your mouth. Make everywhere rest. Now the woman don't come out your name, but you no one still rest. So people are just going to start looking at you like, okay, this woman, she really did okay. So like at the end of the day, it's going to like backfire against Lolo. So I don't know if Monica is going to take her own advice and just say, okay, I'm never going to ignore. Let her continue to fool herself. Yeah.
Okay.
1 week challenge, my people, my Monica lover. Now never clap for me, oh.
I did not clap for you.
The only presenter where be say whether I talk person matter, I don't talk person matter. Hey, I always the hammer. 1 week now it just complete. So from on the first to on
my
the
lady,
8th,
you can't give what you don't
I not
have.
talk person matter.
You try for
I
that
just
one,
deliver
I wish you
my
fist it
matter.
like that. Oh, yeah, man.
And I just feel like this woman really needs to be very proud of herself. Like,
she
to
tried.
be
It's not
honest.
easy. 1 week.
I don't know. What do you guys think? Drop your comments. I'm going to read comments. Tell me what you think, honestly, about this woman and how she has acted and carried herself this entire week. Like, I don't like to compare people. Like, I feel like everyone is distinct in their own way. Everyone is special and unique in their own manner. But if Lolo wants to always use Monica as a reference point, then I would say that Lolo has really proven herself that she is actually the market woman. Like, she's really local. She has not really...
Blessing. Who offend you? Who offend Blessing? He said Lolo has proven that she is the market woman. Lolo, you dey breathe? Where you dey? This one not be say I want to emphasize on her to make the matter come be like get. Because you don't give us so many impressions to tell us say now we be nuisance. That is why I'm bringing this thing again. Like, Lolo don't tell everybody say, they are the illiterate ones, you know. They are the illiterate one. So the essence, if she dey drink the thing, my eye, me go dey use my head, they put gallon of jerry can for water for there. So that the thing not come be like say that one finish. You know how they use my imagination, they put jerry can 5 liter for there, like, you know. She dey always so now make me say, meaning that the impression wey Lolo dey give us, not be waiting with the really, not be waiting. It is good not to express yourself through your mouth. Let people express you. Let people express who you be. Let people begin talk about you, who you be. If you too dey raise yourself, and you can't jam this kind person, this kind analyst, this kind blogger, like Blessing, you can't jam her for one mistake thing. He go analyze you to the extent where everywhere go dey zuzu. as this one you be. So if you see the big B where you're the fly pass zzz, 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 B even they measure lele that they come analyze they only do the
She
retouch.
carried herself in a very posh and classy way, like the way she originally used to portray herself when she started.
She always carry herself as in a class and a posh way. In a class and a posh way, like, hey, God.
Live videos. She has been all over the place, actually, just jumping
Lolo,
from
not
one
come for me.
topic
Everybody
about
go, you
Monica
know, say
to
they your
another
body
topic
now.
about Monica.
Not try and
If she's not talking about Monica picking Ekia, she's talking about Destiny, Ekia, Monica leaves Destiny, Ekia alone. And the worst part of it is you are trying to pretend you're protecting Destiny, but you are also promoting the story to get bigger. It's embarrassing for...
I be say now let me want to talk this thing. Lolo go they talk say, Destiny not get what it do. Me una leave. You they even put the name more and more. Sometimes I go they talk the matter for you. I go say, the man way the man is so man, so that people will just they come across the thing. They know. But you mentioning that name often. You they feel say they protect them. You are still bringing them in. Person will never find know what they happen. Where you be novice for Facebook. You go hear that name. Now it just still come out in one way or the other. And that thing another person still they do one. Oh, we ain't go mama, and now they tarnish people image where.
Destiny. If you want the thing to die down, don't talk about it too much. But you're still highlighting it, you're still promoting it, and you're still saying if they need her address, let them contact you so that you can give them. They should sue her. Like, you just want to drag her into the same situation you're in because you have two legal cases on your neck. So you're also trying to drag her so that she will also be facing the same thing. So for me, like, this woman, like I said, Monica, like, she has really proven herself.
Now that
and
place
I've always said it, being a celebrity, she might have her own reason, but if anyone knows how social media works, they are not going to be talking about where.
Oh my God. You get where I miss where I want
like,
to hear.
To do videos about Monica, and Monica never responds. Like, it's going to be tough. It's going to be hard to know that someone is just so...
Where be say?
She has been all over the place, actually, just jumping from one topic about Monica to another topic about Monica. If she's not talking about Monica picking Ekia, she's talking about Destiny, Ekia, Monica leaves Destiny, Ekia alone. And the worst part of it is you are trying to pretend you're protecting Destiny, but you are also promoting the story to get bigger. It's embarrassing for Destiny. If you want the thing to die down, don't talk about it too much. But you're still highlighting it, you're still promoting it, and you're still saying if they need her address, let them contact you so that you can give them. They should sue her. Like, you just want to...
You see, Lolo even do video, they talk, say, if una need the address, make una contact me, make I give una. Lolo don't commit a lot of atrocity for this social media where be say, me, myself, I don't feel analyze the video because all of us now talking with the do. Now, only blessing, now it they okay to analyze that kind of video. You know, always trying to like make the person dey pain, make the person get sorrow. It just be like the way they tell, the way they motivate them, that they say, oh, for this marriage, how wish na Nigeria, na this kind one, they go just say ancestry go, make ancestry just kill them. Initially, you dey plant am for people mind. A lot of people was watching you as a motivational speaker. You don't need to be planting those kind of things for people mind. Do you know that is that type of thing? Now, what it cause problem for this social media long ago, where we say, not before our space. The way I don't want to use English talking. No, yes, you cool. Iraq, Iran, different country. Through this motivational thing, no? Like, this is how we do it. That is why Facebook, they strict. If they use English, talk some kind of thing, they just hear like this. You stand as a motivational speaker where you call yourself, or as helping women in distress. Imagine now women wey can't dey distress that day now. Whether they watch you and their husband go marry for Nigeria, you are initially telling them to go and hire assassin. You don't know, say true wetin you dey talk, people go just dey collect. He say, if na Nigeria dey now, the way we are go just go rent access, make them go just kill their two, so that the papa and the mama of the two of them go cry where. You are using that method now to dey tell people where they watch you, say if this kind thing happen. Not be say I can't snatch your alaribe, or I can't snatch any of your husband. Nothing like that. Just because me and you get a little beep, you can't get that mind to talk that thing for live video. You use that thing to motivate other people. Say if you not get problem with anybody and you go Nigeria, go marry, mona go buy. People like Lolo, now be the people where they motivate all these people where be say person go Nigeria, arm robber go shoot them. Now the follower where they watch Lolo, now Lolo they motivate them. Say if anything like that, they just use mistake in Nigeria. Mona your send access bankan. Now person like Lolo, because that talk, it they motivate the follower where to do baba thing. See what he talk for Destiny now. He said Destiny, if una know say una need Monica address, make una call me, make I give una instantly. May for still get case for court. Why? Because Lolo know say she get case for court already, about 2 case for court. She still want maybe say the problem where she dey another person go there. Lolo na person like that. Whenever Lolo dey inside problem, she go want make people still follow, make people still dey that problem. Why ya fun here? Now person like Lolo and life go tire. He go dey pray make God just do am, make earthquake just enter the world, make the whole world scatter. All because say the thing don't enter your body. You go you want make the thing enter everybody body. Now person like Lolo be that. Because say the thing they do and she not see solution to come out, she go want make that thing do everybody around. She they motivate Destiny now. She they give Destiny highlight, say I get the address, I get everything. Should the case of that ekia we carry come at that time, oh, say you need down ya do mu nu weve mu area court, so that we are asking eje court ivo do yen bi aje court ivo dian. You they see that kind of person, he go dey problem, he go want make everybody way near and dey problem. Because say he and Monica friendship not work. After 10 years, he not work. He can't define one way or the other. When he go still destroy the 20 years friendship when me and my sister there. Una see as Lolo mentality today. If something not work for her, he not go green make that thing work for you. Because say Lolo not buy land for Nigeria. Lolo will never preach to tell you to go and buy land in Africa. Because he not go and make you get. That thing I don't notice. I know say the truth is bitter. I know say you go come and they say, Kate, this Monica issue now, you don't rest. You go find another person where you want. Now analyze, me see the analyze. Waiting I see and notice about you. Alright? So, I don't notice that thing for her. Is it say 10 years relationship, you not work, last. He can't see one do away, be say 20 years, go still destroy again. Because say she not get land to Africa now. She not go want make she talk or motivate anybody also to buy land. Because if Lolo be person wey get 5,000 euro for account, if Lolo na person wey get 5,000 euro for account, you go they see a topic na about saving. They save me I get money for my account, so you need to. He go they, because he already achieve one. He go they use him tell you now. Why? He's not really telling you, he's using it to intimidate you. Now because he get red passport, now they always talk about red passport every time. I tell him, Lolo, with all due respect, that day now your mouth you talk and will say, if anybody want to come and do saga with you, they need to get passport. You understand? Say this is your passport, this is your ID card, this is your this. I get the audio here. Me now constantly challenge you, say if you want to do saga with me, be ready that you have 30,000 euro cash on your account or even more. Because if you ask me to bring more out, I can, but I just want to bring them down. You be ready. If you not say you not get that cash to present to people, not still come. As you they use your driving license, they gaga. Maybe you email gaga. If you say we should go up to 50. Maybe before I carry the children, carry this one, carry that one, 3 or 4 accounts join together, I go feel raise down. But only one account. Say if you know say one account, not be say you borrow one, not be say anything. It's not borrow, it's nothing. If you know say you not get 30k euros inside, say me you show public. Then if me want to reply you, me go still show public my own. Not just do saga with me. You use your passport to do something now. Me not fit use passport, cause me get. use license. Me no fit use license because me get. Now wetin me go still fit use, na me dey use now. Otherwise, remain silent o. Iya we odafin araji go nya. Obi ogwe iraju wu nya. Oh, I will lock you up in prison. Obi ogwe we ma agbele gbo awa wu. Obi ri opia ladian. We jogo bi ogwo we ya nya. Me na ve yogo da fon me ya nya. Simple. Odafin araji go nya. Ogwe iraju wu nya. Simple. If you know you don't have 30K in your account to show, only one account to not be say you can't say this 5,000 plus this one equals to the other one. This 3,000 plus this one equals to no. Only one account and it go carry your name. It go be your name and it go be money where be say no be. You know now. You go show a pound. We can start our saga together. You they do me or they do you they come. We know say if the matter enter court, nobody go borrow money for follow hands. Because if you talk about gullible people now, me I just they push my page, they go the way I taste them. Now people will love me with their mind. I know they go do anything or come they lie me they for love me. All right, so that if our case come too high, we want can't go court. I give it away. Mona no man now. When I want tax, na wa no. Na the thing no man na mona donate. Nobody go donate. My very I call account. I want any go way. And it's a lot money. My we go seka. God may we not work or seka money bet. I just they tell you. So that you know can't say your fan never donate to na cause you not fit go court. I want you can see like gbese. Because it's too much. The way you they always come they hide yourself every now and then. It's too much. Oh.
To drag her into the same situation you're in because you have two legal cases on your neck. So you're also trying to drag her so that she will also be facing the same thing. So for me, like this woman, like I said, Monica, like she has really proven herself. And I've always said it, being a celeb is not just about the number of people who follow you. That is part of it. That is, some part of it, yes. But that is not all it is all about. Like, it's not just, I have 1 million people following me, then I'm a celeb. No, because people can actually buy 1 million followers.
Of course.
It's how you carry yourself on social media. It's how your word is your bond.
I'm here to
when you say, I go, you go. When you say, I move, I move. When you say, I stop here, you stop here. You don't just say things today and tomorrow you are doing something totally different. Okay. You're not accountable to your followers. You're not trustworthy. When you start saying things to them, it's entering one ear, going out the other way. Because even someone commented to me, like, Blessing, why are you taking this challenge so seriously? Lolo didn't mean it. She was actually defending Lolo, like she's a fan. She's like,
can you imagine? Blessing not feel like he says somebody even write and say, why you they take this challenge serious? Lolo no mean na. It no mean like, are you for real? So all the talk where Lolo they come out, come they tell us all this why not they mean them. Hey, Oturubeke. So the followers ubere enya. Lolo, you see say that all they draw you they go. All that organic. Ubere ozayarakwa. They looking for looking sake. All of them not say anything where you they talk, you know they mean now. Ay, Jesus, me I never have a fan that whenever I talk, they look me like a non-meaner. So all those men where you they talk, say now so you do this one, I do that one, I saw this one. All those things where you they talk, you don't mean any of them. And they know, I foresee that fan Blessing, that person that call you, that tell you that she did not mean it, she might be right because as a gullible fan where she be, she can't see and say, Lolo of tell and say the husband buy house, they wait for them for UK. As he reach there, no house. Washing machine, Lolo happy put. And that one now, washing machine, she they even buy and tell load car, carry go Nigeria. Now one person they are people, go say, Then again, he do another thing. That one go say, Again, now you be the alpha and omega at the end of the day. Person where you they talk say it not be nothing. Now they buy you bag and shoe. Now they buy you purse, everything. Now you talk say you know they wear AliExpress. You not even call the wear and you can't even the order from Ali. They sell for peace. And then book baby Lolo. Esonro egbe. Esonro egbe o. Da mena imu nwenu ya kwe na salo bua. Ya we ni yare beni gume. Omega ya kwe no maja. Eh? Eson bon egbe Lolo. That one can't notice say many things wey this our Lolo they do wey be say e not the biri. Maga you when they kwegere. Now that one tell that blessing say you not supposed to take this matter serious. You want come fall our hand. That blessing say ija. I person go they on live video every now and then. They know they take. So all the people where you they saga since. It might be that one can still notice and say, this cake mama, not be so it be, or that one, not be so, or that one can't they notice many things. Now make a right blessing you. Say blessing, not be everything where you talk, you go, you for not take the, you know me now. How we go tell no? We not know, not be our fault, we not know. She say, make they can't do the challenge. We not know. She'll for just write down for her page. Anything I say or do here, don't use it against me in the court of analyzing. She go attach and join her page. We go know that anything she do or say in her page cannot be used against her in the court of any analyzing or any talking sake. Add and join your page, Lolo. Just go help us right and say, hey, Lolo, anything that I say or do here in this platform, don't take it serious. Don't take it personal. We go know. And you can write it, comedian, they put on there. Say, this is a comedian platform. Anything I say or do here is not my way. It's not my lifestyle. People, they write time. Don't see one way put on like that. Say, this is not really me. This is not really me. It is true. So when the boy, they do investor like this, they do like this, it already put on both for people to know that this is not really him. Everybody go there. They'll say, it's not really him. So that people not go they feel pity, go they use until they collect money for corner, say, nah, imbecile, nah, this one and that one. He just put out there, it's not really me. So people know, Lolo, you need to go and do it, otherwise this your fan way they fight for you.
Like, did Lolo tell you she meant what she said? That means your fans don't even believe in your own words. They know that, okay, she's just talking or she's just bragging. That is a terrible place to be as a so-called celeb. Okay. Even when you cannot even respect your own word. When you give someone a challenge, when you challenge
please
someone,
like and follow this page. Like and follow the page.
Sorry, Baba.
Oh, sorry. No. Walk where they do.
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry, say your picking voice come out.
Yeah, you should go to bed, Okay?
Okay, mommy.
Good boy. So, yeah. It's just quite pathetic that you'd call yourself a celeb and you're not acting as a celeb. You're not accountable to
blessing, your point of collection. Point of collection, because I need you to collect that word back. You don't need to, no, this is not correct. I can't correct you. You know what you are saying, but you need to, point of collecting. Lolo is not a celebrity. From my point of view, hello, they use this line, oh. Hello? 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 Good evening. Good evening. May I put on for speaker? I did live video. Okay. Okay, no problem. No worry, no fear. Why worry? Why they worry? We no fear. Blessing analyze. Mama analyze. A blessing on ya. They know even more rockbaji. Mota. Monsi na jina. Imagine your bossing. Yarema. No way yarema met your bossing ya. My go at your balls. Ma. Emi must be Lolo because we omwek be bono kwagbe. Boy tiene. As age mate. Abibe dinkere. Yaguan. Bo. My go at your ball.
So you'd say, okay, let's do this, and you're not doing it the next minute. You're just
this one.
Not only yourself,
this
media. You're not really teaching.
They say you are looking for viewer. When we define solution for social media, you are looking for viewer.
Hammering about how
when Lolo they carry
about your former.
Not let Ogunwe go kill you now. Not let am go do press up for your bed. As if they sleep for that bed, he go just strike you. The time when Lolo they carry blessing video every day by day, they analyze blessing video for Monica head, for people head. You not say Lolo the Ogun must boy. igwati ebo aweti gwati ebo ikpekpe ya amulele bai ya amu kpekpe lele abuwadere mana yu wa yerugbo fiema abuwadere platform ma wa yerugbo wa yegwa le mere nu wa adu fun abo jiaba jevu aba hiyo yo wa ni mama aba gbete subele aba sukere wa sukere be bani wa rojo emi ame su wake ore su wake ologo ma su wake ohun osu wake wa rogo yo vn waje
friend or
they hate that thing to the sian na
the
the
former friend is not what they think she is. But the other one, on the other hand, she has really shown herself that she is a woman of class, to be honest. I don't know why they call her Iyeki, like I think the cheerleader of, I don't know, market or something like that.
I know.
But she has really acted in the most honorable manner this entire week, despite the fact that you kept dragging her in your videos. She just kept to her word. Like, she respected, and she respects actually her word. She gave her word that she was going to go into this challenge with her full chest, and she did for good 8 days or 7 days, 1 week, however you want to see it. But you couldn't even handle 24 hours. That is quite a shame. A shame. You are over 40, and the only topic that you can actually bring forward and you can be very active and passionate about
blessing
is Monica, someone you claim you hate.
Somebody you claim you hate. When you are analyzing about him, you go there very passionate, very like you go there happy. As you they analyze it, you go there happy, you go there very in short, please, my people, please, I'm begging all of you. Victoria, as I just write down for people, I might not forget. Please, my people, Victoria, the doctor of Edo Voice of Truth, her daughter, she's going to handicap school. Sorry, mommy, if you come across my video, say I talk her like that, say handicap school. Sorry. All right, she dey go special school. All right, she dey go special school, and that school is really huge. If I tell her the money when she snapped the picture for me, if not that the details, the date of birth, and a lot of statements they there. Is Nami even advise the mother that this is not worth posting on air, because it's just going to, like, you know, the status of the child and this and that, everything that is about the child, they just place on. Then I just advise her, say that one not me, go give you, go support. Please, guys, please, aleru no ma biomo no ga dwayo ma zero, but please sow a seed in that child's life. Victoria, Edo Voice of Truth for Facebook. If you see the account there, all right, please help this child to go to school. This child dey house ever since. They are trying. The sister also, way also the other sister, she don't send a lot of money, and that one also, I don't say Europe noisy. That one don't, and short, that girl have tried. That girl don't try. So now the tea way I just like me, I quit tell you now. Edo Voice of Truth picking, they go back to school. Wala wo warijo bonovie no yari special school now. It's so expensive. That school now French people get on. Now France now get the school. Now no say Senegal. All this kind of special school now international they get on. Now French people get on. Special needs. Yeah, so now special school now it really be now France people and everything that they work like Europe. Everything na Euro. And no insurance, nothing for Africa. They're not the get insurance, they're not the get. You need to pay everything. And the things they say she need to pay 3 months, or be 6 months up front. You understand? And then later, and the thing they very big. Anyway, they say not be only Senegal, that kind of school still in Nigeria. Just that the poor not the fee afford, and I make cause they see say all these speaking way they get disabled somehow, you know, brain malfunction. They streets. They go your day street of Lagos, street of Benin. They go come turn to Udomioma. They'll come they call am okay. They'll come they call am Beme. Why the parents not fee afford the school? Not be say that kind of school not day. It day. Why big men, rich people? They go. Una know Doris Day Hotel that time. Doris Day hotel where they buy that time. Una know say get one pikin where people come to say, oh yeah, but the pikin, that pikin, the school where he put on not be here. That pikin brilliant die. You understand? These big people that they fit sponsor children for school. You not go even notice say they get that kind of pikin. Now the one way be say their hand not rich. Now you go see and say they get that kind of pikin. Why some go just keep them for boarding house so that stress not go there? Please, my beloved people, let's try to help pin the account down. Okay, may I quick call her. May she put the account. Thank you, mommy. Thank you. Oh, my give mommy return very now. Beg me ma wetin we pin her down. Well, we say this pikin no salo boy could make God no allow you born pikin where he get any malfunction or anything. Oh, you no go. I bet pin the account or give me where the account again. Anybody where don't first send money to run was send there your money go pin eh. Wala wo before we come, you no pick. Ew, omamu. Te we na go pin eh teme. What happen? Please, let's support that child. Onhegbe mo very only to me salubwa. You might not see. I just dey feel pity for those kind of children. Their mother they try God. If una know so na don't fair help am una pin na beg. If na money na to go give Lolo for case we use him to take chaprapa wa akun ene no yari ekoti. Wa do go mo na amu agbon mu dia ne future re bright wa ku wa here ze yonia. If na person wey sit down for live video the chaprapa chopopo eri ebe koti don't do have wa like onine. Use this money now to help us where God go take open your way. If your generation go forgive birth to those kind of children, God go wipe and come out with that seed where you sow. Osaloba you wipe it because you see say now all mind you take give. All right. So I just remember because I write the tea for paper say I go talk on. I forget to even talk on yesterday. I be day before yesterday.
To be honest, it's shameful. And for me, I think at this point in your career, you should be thinking of how can I rebuild? Because to be honest, now you have really used your hands to damage whatever it be.
If na only una dey feature something like that, if not be only una any way we take day, make una support a sister. Na person pikin be this. Or more we have fefe no na only Lolo dey bully children. Na only Lolo you go tell this kind thing, go say no we don't give better as egbe bana. Ewo ya zeyo. Come on birthday. You go dey expect me una bring money for birthday for a pikin. This one na sickness now. Pata ya bully on egin your money bully ohoni. Evani bon ati ebone. Now when me a lot get problem, now my children picture begin fly. Now she begin. Now I tell no say okay you see her. So that is it. Mona donate for who need down. Why the help nothing vun? Why the
you had when you were still friends? Because people really respected you then. People really honored you. They saw you as that big woman. But now you're really just shaming yourself with children on social media. To be honest, it's really embarrassing. There's a time and place for everything. Like I said, maybe it's your way of processing, but at the point in time, you just have to grow over certain things and just leave certain people out of your lives. If they don't matter to you, just vanish them, delete them out of your mind, out of your phone.
Voila, Lolo, you dey hear now. Bless to say as a point of time, if you know say you don't need that person again, just let it be. Let them go. Don't even watch them. Don't follow them. Don't just let them be. Like that, you cannot even know much about them. If I tell you the secret where Monica take overcome you now, he was not watching you. And he tell everybody way around and say, Mona not send me a video or nothing. Because the more you not see anything where concern you, the more you not go talk. Now what you hear, now you they react to. What you not hear or no, you not feel react to them. But they not go send that to you. Now you go there by yourself, use all your account, they work out, follow everywhere. Only if you don't obey who obe te uve mi unatikele nege wa bi ami mi bi ahin onya ore no eva gwa ye gwe aje go magi aje fija o magi fija wo abi we ne to tell moto we do aro ye me I go see your own when man go azin gbe
phone block people from bringing her matter to you. But like I said, if you're still healing, I don't know how long you still need to heal. It's almost 2 years. Do you still need 20 more years to heal from whatever you guys have done to each other? Because like I said, if she did stuff to you, you also did stuff to her. So I don't know, you going about crying every day and talking about what she did to me, see what she did to me every single day is just pointing all the fingers in one direction and playing the victim, when actually you have actually had your own revenge, only that you're not yet satisfied with the amount of revenge. And you can go on and on and on with revenging and abusing, but you will still continue for as long as it takes. But I know that someday you're going to get either tired, or you're just going to be too shy to come out, because you don't know what people are going to. People are just going to be like, this woman don't come again, you know? And you don't want to be in that place. But if that is the path you want to follow, by all means, it's your page, it's your content. Okay?
Now, let's talk. Are we keeping it this way? Or we should be cracking down? Oh yeah, now let's talk. Are we keeping it like this, minding our business and living on the nyam loss behind us?
They say Kate fans go support her. We are just here to watch. Not be you know if Kate fans support or Kate fans not support. Not be you know. I know people are here to watch. They are here to watch. Now they die over fans. Now they die over fans. You don't force people to love you. You don't even use talk. See people where use lie, say buy fans now. They are now going. Let fans come gradually. Let it comes by themselves. Let them love you because of what they are saying, not because of what you are saying. That kind of one, I know they make on. That is why you see people jumping from here to here. They go see their lie, to the lie, he go jump. You know they talk true, he go jump. So that is it. You allow people, let it come, let love flow. I not go feel because say I can't go the open one kurukere thing. Can't go this. No, yet I'm walking, man. I'm walking, man.
So she asked
those
her
that love
viewers
me,
and fans if they should continue the way she has been for 8 days without, talking, or she should start answering again. Now I was waiting for all the comments, and I saw all the comments, and
please,
all of
mommy,
them said,
put your account here. Let me pin it, so I'll be looking for you. Please put your account here. I tried to call you, not pick. Put your account, mom. Edo Voice of Truth. Please put it here. Thank you, my mama, my lovely darling sister, my all Edo queen. Thank you, Jare.
Not even one person say, let's keep it this way. But if they talk to you, make you also talk. Nobody said anything. Nobody said but. No, everyone was just like, we move. Let's keep it this way. Just continue. So this is really a dangerous place, because the only thing that fits.
You see what Infinity, right? The caption is small. I know segment so. To where we say very only. He say anything you do is for the child. Don't pay the child with the sin of our parent. You see, why you be saying about people they preach Bible pass? I don't understand this word no balance. So you see this caption, it touched me. So Infinity, you write this thing. He said, don't allow anything. Anything you do is for that child, is for that kid, not the sins of the parents. Oh managbon go agbon if you not what managbon. Anyway, join. Oh ma go agbon nana. Oh ma go agbon nana. Say no, una not the if na Lolo go say no, don't give. Don't give. Don't voice of lie. Don't give her. Now remember that year where he come that year where he go come the zolos. Hey, Jesus. Now, Lolo teach me how to they go people. Like, if person offend you, you go they search all the video where you don't do for 2 years, 3 years, 4 years ago. You come begin use barrow and paper, jot and down. They find the whether not 2 minutes, 3 minutes. That woman can teach you some things that you will become a winch to yourself. Lolo, you they try. The way where you take the motivate, you really motivate people to. Hey, if that they use maps, they talk winch into person. Many people for that they fly for this social media. The way we Lolo go take talk. Hey, you go sleep, you'll see yourself perere. Ogwa you no tenene mo you no mama. Benny wa no ekwa for no reason. That Lolo Marty not get he get reason. God they know the reason why they create everybody.
Well, not feed like food, but the only thing that gives Lolo energy is when someone would respond. Then she would have something to hold on to also fire back. But imagine when nobody's giving you that input, then what output are you going to be bringing forward? They are just going to be sitting around waiting for them to do a video that you can come out and analyze and talk down on. So I think most of Monica's viewers kind of like said...
When Lolo even analyze very home, God now, Mona no start. You not put the account here. Oh. Call the ODN number. I cannot pick this one. Sorry.
And this is Lolo's response to that. So she posted this. This is quite hilarious and childish.
Okay. I cannot pick this one. Oh my goodness. Hello? 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 Ere speaker, I met it. Mapping the number. Oh, ma send it now. Nipping egui. Send it right now. Imami, what's it in? Imami, send it right now. Oh, my beg. Oh. Oh, my we was send it right now. We now marry manana. Ija, they can message you. Imamio. Try no send it as much as you can, okay? We love you, Lele. Ni bere.
So she kind of like posted a competitor, I believe. She said to send money cheap rates, guarantee, tested and trust.
You're tested and trusted.
Not from Linus Association. So here she's trying to say people should not go or they should not use TapTap because TapTap has kind of like signed Monica. And I'm like, okay, you have to be really in a low place in your life, again, you know, and you don't tap. They are not going to say, okay, we are not going to use TapTap based on Lolo said these rates are better. And the worst part of it is if Monica has signed an agreement with TapTap, what you do now is not going to change that agreement. So she's still going to get paid. She's still moving. So you're just embarrassing yourself doing stuff like this, childish stuff like this. Your mate, well, I should be careful. Other people are announcing endorsement deals. You are trying to spoil their endorsement deals. You should be hustling for your own, promoting your own. You're promoting, who is this? WhatsApp messages only. What's the name of the company? Powered by licensed agents. Who is the agent?
Okay.
You're promoting these people. How much are they paying you for this? The other person you're trying to spoil, she's making her own money.
So this one, we bless the talk. So when Monica get TapTap contract, Lolo constants too so low. Lolo, I dey shame your shame. I not even be there aware of this thing. I was not even aware. I don't know where I go that day where I not see this thing. After Monica don't post and say in get contract with TapTap, Lolo constants too so low to go look for one miss to send money. Must you everything where Monica do? Which person don't follow Lolo bomba to bomba the way Lolo they follow Monica? All making ahen waivamu ken wasizia. Iye we yeti isi yenene ren. We me ye we wanu vie potilawa. Even TapTap, you me not even be no. This one can't shock me like it shock. You can't even go that low to carry and come out.
Use your social media for profitable and positive things, not how to damage and bring other people down. Even if they used to be your friends and they turned enemies, move and get better. So for me, this was just low. Like this is like the lowest you can go.
It's too low because these people now where you try to promote, they're not gonna pay you. These people now where you contract say one today's rate. Name is 785 naira. They are powered by licensed agent, something like that. She can't put her picture there. Ah, Lolo, you fall my hand, though. You fall my hand. She can't put her picture, join the thing. So you they tell me now, say these people where you can't do adverts for, they pay you. They sign contract with you. You be their agent, marketer, waiting. No, all because Monica still bring thing where they say they send money. Must you do it? Okay, now, just imagine now you waste your time to go help company where just they on their own. You go they help them now. They do adverts. You don't know, say one thing, Lolo, waiting I understand for this social media. Who don't love you, don't love you. Even if you try to brainwash them, this thing where you carry come out now. Say, come and send money, $1. Not be Monica fan you they talk to. Because all those one, I mean, where the other can't take now your people you they brainwash. And your people where you they try brainwash for your platform. They not go like go die Monica number say we want send money. So who can be fool for Isaiah? I don't know whether you they get my point, Lolo. Monica carry tap come and say, he get contract oh. And as all of you now see that tap and everything, now to true contract something. I'm not here to like, may I can't like join her or something, now contract something. As you see that thing, you not feel rest, you not feel breathe. I know say you go verse for this my video. Now bless you, analyze, and they just contract tell you say, you fall my hand, you fall people hand. Me they stand now, they represent your organic people where you not fit talk to you. You understand? They not fit face you talk to you. So now you constantly carry yourself, go they do research, go they do Google, like the way you take punish your son that day. May take on live video in the middle of the night, they look for the green skin something. I know, not that year, or not that time, we don't tell. It don't tell where we say Monica will just drop the thing, you go they do research. After everything, you can't put your picture. Makan, that makes you so low. It bring you low down. And I don't want to hear am for your mouth again. You go, they do live video, you go, they insult anybody. Because everybody on this social media, I tell you, before you start to saga me or insult me, if your followers, your fan, if tell you, say, you don't show us your account, because okay, say me, you show us. If you not show us, you say me, you not saga. You need to, not be say, you just come and come, they, no man, that one, this one, that, you go, just enter your car, get one video where you do for a side car like that, you they talk, you they sharp rapper, they sharp just like, for real. She go just they talk differently where she they imagine. Where she go so be your hand. That one will be small picking church rat. That one will be rat. That one will not know left from right. And all these things where she they talk, all this name. In your Guinea, it is so difficult for you to recognize that all these small name where you they call people. The thing tag you where. This was like you saying, I understand the way.
Again, she wrote this and she put her own pictures, and I'm like, wait, is she also a brand ambassador now? She said, think about the exchange rate, not the sending fee, tested and trusted. Like, okay, she puts her pictures. Like, why are you so much in a competition with the other woman?
This person, now my trouble you define, Abi. Why my lights they always. May I just see whether I feel block you first. As you they say, Mumu, if Njoh and that your mama, na be Mumu, not be your mama will born you at the talk you they fight for so. Oman weg me na. I know so now you they try on our best to they do anything say report. Oman weg me na. Ora waiva or Mumu wa tamame. Ere no na analyze na blessing. Umamion abi jo odon. My click to my account to find you. May I first block you first. Or let's say before I reach there, you don't delete yourself. I will drop. Win. Name me worry. See here. On my pa. Thank God, say person never use comment, push and come out. Oh yeah, block. Come out there. The picture where you even put self, you go see and say na picture where let's even like down with them. I don't block her. When I do, we are annoying. I ain't watching Jaimo. Oh yeah, let's go there.
You are also an ambassador now, but this is just extremely childish.
Thank you.
Like, this doesn't even make any sense, to be honest. And I already talked about this one, and
I don't know offend blessing.
Yes, now it's time to call results. We've talked long enough.
Oh, na better a pen. Then
if you have a pen and paper, I already did the math, I already did the calculations, but to make it fair for everyone to see how we got the numbers, if you also have a pen and paper and you want to participate and count along to know that there was no Ojo anywhere, you can get your pen and paper. So for Monica, we have 1,600 views here doing a motivational topic. I think this was her first video after the challenge, when the challenge kicked off. I think she was talking about Thomas and Jacob. Like, you guys, people, 1,600 people sat there to listen to Thomas and Jacob. So for me, it's not even about the message you bring forward. It's about how you bring your message forward. And I think Monica really has that touch. She has the X factor, and that is what drags or attracts people to her. And I know she has also been laughed at for, oh, they cook beans. But people still go and watch how she cooks beans because she knows how to deliver. So this was her own first video after the challenge was announced, and she pulled 1,600 people. And Lola's first video after the challenge was announced, we saw that video. That's the one I was playing the whole time. That one had, I think, 189 people. We are going to show it very soon. Also quite a shame. To be honest, like sometimes we don't need anyone to tell us, Madam, you embarrass yourself. Sometimes you have to also look at your own videos, look at your own statistics. If not, go to your
if not a challenge of a thing, I know they look the viewers or something, because you might be having it today, tomorrow you might not have it. A lot of people are upset, even American people. That day where 50 cents they do live video, it was just how many they watch, and 48 people, I be 58 people was watching. It's upside down. I know they look at those one, like, and it depends on what you are saying or doing. Now, so it they be. If you the insult person, yours now 1,000 feet complete. It depends on your normal thing that you are doing. But Lolo people and Lolo, now then laugh person pass. Now then laugh person pass. May I fair small of us will buy one paper first.
Creator Studio, see if you're growing. Or if you're, you know what I mean. Okay, so let's write 1,600 for this one, and then Agnes posted this one side by side.
Why you
picture.
Cry for my tomorrow?
The one on the right is Lola's first video that I talked about. It was 189. The one on the left is another Monica's video, 732. So just continue to write. Write Monica on the left, write Lolo on the right, and then write all the numbers. So we are going to add them very soon. And I also collected some comments, of course, from commenters.
So that tomorrow
Toby John was also watching the whole challenge, and that one just said, so without Monica, Lolo no get topic. No, she no really get topic like that if we really want to talk like that. Without Monica or anything we relate to Monica, go really sweet. And it's unfortunate that she even believes it, and people are kind of like, this is like the lowest you can go. And I also collected some comments, of course, from commenters. Toby John was also watching the whole challenge, and that one just said, so without Monica, Lolo no get topic. No, she no really gets topic like that if we really want talking like that.
Blessing.
Without Monica or anything
who offend Blessing, Njoh? Who offend her? He said no, really, he not get topic. Not be more turner. Now, person right hand, Toby John right hand say, without Monica topic, Lolo not really gets. Without Monica something, Lolo not get your own major topic. Now, Blessing can't reply to Toby John say, for real, Lolo not get. Because according to what with the who offend Blessing? Now, Lolo abi who? Hey, Blessing, you
was to Monica, go really sweet. And it's unfortunate that she even believes it, and people are kind of like seeing it that is the case. It's really a pity. She had her chance to rebuild her brand, but she just kind of like spoiled it for herself. Always Monica.
Una go see another challenge now. If it be Mona can't bet if na me and Kate, if we go talk to each other, no, you use me to build another chance for yourself. Because she's looking for how to just bring challenge. May they say she not talk. Oh, manualele we challenge. Oh, no, you miss no other challenge again. You don't miss the track. Because definitely we not reach that for your own place. You say we are nothing.
Anyways, let's continue to count. And then we have 409 again for Lolo. And we have 1,300 again for Monica.
Second day.
And another comment here. So Lolo not to analyze Iyeki video. You get to for social media. Yes. And she has said, and we heard that Monica is her personal business. So Monica is her content. I don't know if she's also going to change her page name to Monica or something like that, at least so that we know what her content is now about. So also some comments. Lolo cannot survive without Iyeki. Well, on social media, no, she cannot survive without her. I think, to be honest, like, if we have to focus only on content, Lolo's content cannot survive without Monica's name being put into it. Okay, and Kelly Ben says, you mean she not fit do the 1 week challenge? No, my sister, she no fit even do 24 hours challenge. She no fit do 1 day challenge.
It's shock. It's Jimmy. Hey, boni ronya me. He say Lolo no even fit do 24 hours. 24 hours make 1 day. 7 days make 1 week. So Lolo, the first one where children they read, TV where, hey, you not even fit try. Okay, let's assume you say you not quit here. That day where you come here and call, that the same day where you come say you here, una you retire. Hi, Jesus.
So she no fit, but now she call for her just to brag, but she no know say people go carry the matter like this, unfortunately, and now.
Make una mediti go na take the brago as me talk and just now say he make she show us 30k. Hey, tomorrow now she'll come show us I not fit show. Not be me destroy my thing by myself be that. Not be me use my to tell lie be that. Make we mediti go take the brago. May we mind the thing with it. Oh see no viere na kaye passport ya ha. And then you're sleeping of tongue giga no am right from time where I tell no and also passport, driving license. Oh, yeah, or may go past a boundary already. Or maybe no there soon. Una see all these organic people. Now una push out, una to push that woman because emi no mama yanya. Over here is passport, license in ya wana way big. Wa we say o, wa see if you nenya. I don't wa go. Hello. Ni mo speaker. Like mommy ya ne o ave ma no ri go your way won.
When speaker. Hello to the house. Good evening to you all.
Good evening. Where is the account you are?
I put it there. It's just that you woman begging opinion, but I'm putting it there. More you put that in. Thank you for the love and support. When I'm not going, I bet finish your boy. Where problem here there wrong that way. I'm gonna watch it. I'm not perfect hero, but if you all it is soon. God, children they are God.
Any mave doziga school no be when Ora iweje school graduate no be do amu ne PGV ma ve gboto wa hwe because emi ya intimidate ma.
Ma ho je yo ge agbo.
Na wa ge ani ve doziga school no be when no be me be are Facebook or where I am a graduate. Obe do ala be me page gboto run graduate school.
God forbid.
Why you intimidate ma?
Only at a setback.
Not be the one where you can't see open live video tomorrow. You can't say una want try me. Too umade too much more work body ladian. No that we the Babega club me. Oh, more body like umade too much work the Babega club in there.
My people, my view, 6 years, they can't ballamona here, Africa, you be right, you be tiero, you be better, now let me destroy they go young way. I'm making a reality, say, I'll feel like Diana when people be on us, so many help. Thank you all for your love and support. At least now, Victoria on our door for not be me on our door. For you look my face. Edo voice or true abeg na even to call him even to go him in the road na and I will give my ya so whatever gege face
no gwaligo we saga ija na no gwaligo we saga ijebe wa we go na okay
anyway je
oma
go go when so and love and support. I know some people don't like me there, but I love it. I love you all. Because why? What do I celebrate in it? What do I tell you I love in it? So we will never say why we will never die. We still there alive. Now God now get power. So anyway, now Victoria will not do for. I appreciate you all. May God bless you all.
Amen.
Victoria. Okay, no road Tony. Okay, only I give my eye. I will get one. That way, man, need the piece of social media. Lolo. I don't talk before. If you like, we preach this thing from nothing in Jericho. Monica don't beat you out down. When all of them know say Monica, not be Monica fan so. And I got to say, hey, don't voice for truth because my own. If they talk the truth now, begin to change talk of person man. Hey, you know the dance go where Monica do. You know the dance, but now truth I they talk. I know the dance go where Monica.
Oh, na ve munu ria yata. E challenge oraro. E challenge ni giroto. Ona fele ama de la dia we and so what no. Ave munu ria yata no gwa we no agwa.
Monica.
Oh, he we blessing. Jore fine Monica no na we no.
Monica lobo. Monica lobo.
Volo ri walo ri la te mi no.
It don't beat niati organic nature. I mean organic stuff. They are there. They are fear.
Ozaya ya gbalegbe wodo wozaniki. Ozaya ya gbalegbe wo.
All beat you way.
Any evano emugbe no fit iro.
We thank you for 8 days. So if that may be you, Lolo, if that may be you, I will just tell Monica say sorry for everything that happened.
Ijo, he go come curse you tomorrow. Ije.
No, I tell you because why? You get us to go fight. We can be say because you say that fight, the person they beat you ass down. You go give up. You go give up. Nothing there for this life.
No, I not the way sorry ni. Ija, presenter we he presenter ije. Uhewe koku we boa. Uhewe riwe anu we boa. We sorry. Ne me ya tani we me yan.
Okay, sorry. I go and move on. Eke afie nya gbe na. I will not say sorry no. Say second. For social media.
Okay. Why sorry bagging e ba o re abi no. Iyan eva we gbe mi. Iyan eva we gbe mi. Me ma believe you na the one na sorry na the one na so iyan eva offend gbe. That's me. The thing is a challenge now. A challenge now fail eh. Okay, sorry ni not bad because on a one na me on a offend on na offend on iyan eva ke ni na gbe un vie gwele. But okay challenge now.
Okay, when is that okay, when is that work? Why you will
Tasina. Only say a blessing ya ta no anu na ma ya gun atasin je. Atasin e ko gun ayo koko ni ya ri go nu nugo ebe tana ni Oma ugun ayo no ma o ma gun ayo no ma te fan lo yan mere no se kan ni zebudo. O se kan ni zebudo yan zigo no ma ya o ma ba gbon tell no ri ko we keri
Okay, now it's very open that a blessing. Now blessing can analyze the thing. Thank God though. Because if I don't voice or truth or any other person can analyze them, they will throw stuff for the glass house. So since now blessed with somebody else now analyze that, now it don't show not to everyone one of us say Lolo cannot fit do without Monica. Now Monica then they give her view. Now make cannot fit leave Monica matter. It's very simple as ABC now. So now
Lolo offend we and when our thing egbe ni very na.
Oh my offense because I'm not going to don't voice or truth making. I'm not going to wait. Monica me carry a Monica.
Oh bless you. I need to ask you a question.
Monica prove it. Why you want more and more is the truth fact. Monica prove it. Lolo ma prove it. I'm not saying Monica.
And now he call for the challenge. And as she call for the challenge, why are you call? Where you know where when we now announce it, Lolo? Where you know where when I was benene go gmaga atie o. Where you know where
now.
Ngo live any go.
So please let us. You don't come with that way.
Then people go they tell me say Kate leave Lolo. I will not leave this. That they say Kate leave Lolo. I will not leave this. I will not leave this.
I'm not going to talk say because I call for donation for my daughter. I can't see you. I'm not going to talk. I will talk. Who want help people help? Who no want to help people still lead? But the truth will make the truth. Make Lolo mind her business. Make it do a video. Make it do organic cream. Make it do organic hair. Make it mind in makeup. Make it leave Monica. Monica to
the only thing where it go stop. May not they do makeup. They insult people. If they bring the makeup business down for people. Not beg him, not beg me. Nick beg him. Oh, yeah, why we read the voice of truth to be blessing. Njoh, me go out here.
Wind don't blow, foul yash don't open. We don't know where everybody belong. Okay, Kimber Levy says, Asine, Lolo has lost it to the extent she can't even go a day without analyzing Monica's issues. She's so obsessed with Monica. Correct. That is also a good observation.
And the thing where I not like, anywhere where you also say person they fight Monica, I go start to praise that one, praise that one, praise that one, praise that one. Anywhere where you also say that they fight down, you go, you praise that one, praise that one, praise that one.
She cannot go a day without, and if she goes a day, just know that maybe inside the house, she's really like, I can't wait to go live again. Like, I really want to talk, you know, she's going to really struggle. Yes, that is obvious now. So here we have Lolo 687. I have that on paper. Okay, so this day is
blessing for that way you talk. Say if she go a day without she not go insult person back inside house, she go they like hey, that is true. The way we blessing say analyze Lolo, it can't they do me like say blessing don't first stay with Lolo. That is true. If Lolo not come out consaga, you know say he get person where he talk your matter to, or he get the dumb baby where he go strangle in neck inside house. Una know some Oyibo, if they're nervous, they get something where they go press. Some people now, if he be like this tissue, if he nervous, he go. He go. I believe say Lolo does strangle many baby toys for many people matter. Because when I remember when me and I get some more problem, where he say, I even call her sister. And I told her sister that, look, the way kids, they do this thing, I don't like it, oh, talk to her. She's like that. If she not come beat you outside, she don't follow one teddy bear, she don't strangle to teddy bear head. That man of that phone, teddy bear no eat the levagmo. He don't do many, to the extent that, now cause they not go agree that you can't visit them more. If he buy many teddy bear, go write Monica for one. Write this one, write this one, write that one. You go, you write the name of the teddy bear, go arrange them for your bed. Lolo fit do one. The way we meet study Lolo, you go do one. You go come arrange the teddy bear for your bed. If he wake up, you go say you. You go carry the teddy bear like you go chook him. You. I go chook you so I go. You go they do the thing like say na the person the Lolo can fit. She can fit do it too. Hello. Bota je oyese. Bota ere live video. Bota ni mo ye speaker. Okay. My minuta. Bota je koje. Bota. Njoh koje.
Mata na mene je Thomas hin agwanji.
Je mi je.
Ado bere nege Lolo untano.
Okay.
Sorry to see because I'm supposed need to be on one platform because without a Monica, a Lolo topic.
Ija.
Reject. Honestly, without a Monica, any topic. I'm not going to Facebook in an okay. Emina na gaga no kaya ta agbon ya ru lehia. Okay, news as in every does matter up ania yawo. Iya ya hi otiku. Uga ipolo no ya polo vatiku otiku ri no ge un dare lo lekia.
Beye.
Chiku, I know Relalekia, so I polo never view I have your Chiku.
I have your
okay, Tamale, your pan or red water now.
I'm motivating you to they do evil. Evil on your mouth. Go and report the page. Go and bring it down.
One no me Lololekia do our page, don't do our Facebook now. She has nothing. Monica na, wa beg Monica na, even manager to Mosika amwe bogbe Monica. Wa do beg Monica na right now in my vagwana. Our VAT, your power VAT. Monica, our birthday. Many
always so drama.
Salobana bless her. Yes.
Salobana
bless Monica.
See Juju. Lolo. Ever you no ga tell about Monica na Juju be this.
Yes, everybody have changed. They are not start supporting her. Why any black in and everybody Teresa not we are now on Monica's side. Okay, Toby, are you there? Even Toby said, Monica Salobo bless you well. Monica, I don't beg any Lolo who done on Facebook.
Iwe ya no gwe lo eteni mena ewe lolo una su. Ve ne feti vi me ya mo egbe to wo wa. Then in my way, Ona Ladia, the way I never knew her before. Only Sagi we waru. Only Sagi we waru. Me, I'm a caress social media.
Uga gawe lolo se. Una iate bonili son viesa mehi. Uga gawe lolo so I go udano. On the face I won't down. Any age. That woman is not happy.
Elolo obvious son. Oh, okay. It's time marry the woman.
Okay, so what dog a face again here?
Even forgiving spirits. Even I'm sorry, sir. Who I'm sorry now, Leo. I never see you, my hey.
If we Melissa no very weather then anagele we ya fighting Melissa. Anagele be Melissa we Melissa all my sister.
Just the way recording your damn because the voice is not way just too much.
Again here me utani wa na mama e wari ave any me wa advise Monica Monica bizu gbe we no hair aga homa na enya wa abawo bia abawa wa
I'm not stay for 1 week. Go at stay now. Or at stay forever. I'm not stay for 1 week.
Where did they reply? Agboya love when Monica. When my baby to where he prosper. Niye na ori don kaka upagboro egbe nothing no iro egbe. So e fast ore ire zo eyan mi ana na eyan ma mi go niye no ya dole gbe shi we Monica no we gu kon ni ori polo dedegbe. Ari me advice we no diet.
Ona o polo me ya polo ma gbon. U ka me honey. Oh, Palame, ya, Palama, when we're watching out,
Monica, one Monica.
Oh, when you want to put on you way, oh, Palame, ya, Palame,
Monica for real.
You want when you put your way. Any man, we are ever.
Yeah, where Amariana. Na son awaya on o no ma na son awaya on we ga bege gbe no ko Monica e gbowo do wa o ye ma we de gbe yan ba Bruce ya gbe na re an Bruce gbe ori e latia ma bege ti obi yo to ge na I don't bege wi ya fefe no ugbo ene
on your way editing when you build your foundation with lies o harakwa she built her foundation with lies. O tore mana.
Monica lele o lele ma gbe na e Monica o wa lele ya gbe na ke ro sin ya e Unegiasu le susu no that girl other fiyan no ro wa en wa mu me ne ya gbo ni wa we do po wa poison that woman. Monica, we don't go away. Dimo wa Monica, while like Facebook, wa moro wa gbe because again now she has a mission in your life to destroy you and your children. Poison in Monica, poison in the ya to for mama na eje. We ma bego gbon wa very oni.
Wa Roma yo borrow.
Lole kia o ma no ere wa wa eku kama we no of information anyway. Alright, if you're not going to do whatever total Facebook, and then they me here your live Facebook. Whatever do ya total do so unlock can book ya so deal with whatever. Wow, ne ko mu dane lolo. Susu. Wa.
No, the thing for you to miss this game, to miss some, and now you pull up the challenge. What color the challenge? Key platform in menati about or something. Just who disappointed with yanimo etin yawe. Who are disappointed with yanimo rion yawe. Hi God. Now juju be that now. Salobala. It better me I not get anybody way love me. Than they go love me finish. It do I go contradict to myself. Iye do I hate me. Salobo agosunu dame be nije. So wa arun isen, arun esis. O wa love him o wa re me ma ye mata lele gbe hian. Aye mata ya ko build the hian. Now just be the thing. It is the perfect way. Then you can build your foundation on lies and later it go destroy. To build it back, to build them back go the hard. It go the hard, eh? It will be very hard.
It's crazy. I have 3 pictures, and that is because on the same day, Madam went from Facebook. She started her live video on Facebook, and that is this one. And then she went on YouTube.
Ew,
and then from YouTube, she went back to Facebook. 3 live.
Hello. I beg no insult. Hello, good evening. Hello? Hello?
Videos, like just going back and forth, here and there, all over the place. All about Monica. Oh my God, I'm gonna be a good singer. So basically, yeah, she just went back and forth doing videos about Monica. Facebook, YouTube, back to Facebook. And I think later that night she even went on Instagram, but we don't have the records for Instagram here. So this one is 386 for Lolo. I also have that on paper. And this one, well, this is the topic. Like, I just wanted to bring forward the topic for us to see that it had to do with Monica. And this one, 252, this one was also about Monica. This was the next day, I believe. And she was talking about mental illness, but she was referring to Monica because I think Monica did a video mentioning, I think, her son.
Every day, Lolo, they analyze bless the video before. But now, Mama no so bless the video na. There was say Virginia banana. Okay, now take be la dia be Facebook or wa YouTube yodo. O eketi hin akwe.
Know something, and Lolo wanted to talk about that. So that this video was also about her in her car.
Okay.
And 112.
112. If 112 they watch kids sometimes.
My best says this show must go on. The challenge still stands. Nothing can provoke Iyeki this time. You guys. So after Lolo broke the challenge in less than 24 hours, to me the challenge was already over. I felt like, okay, even if Monica wants to respond, she can actually respond. Like, since Lolo has already spoiled it, there is no need for her to just be there. But this lady, she was resilient. She didn't just let herself be moved by what another person was doing. She just behaved like, look, if you want to be foolish, I'm not going to join you in your foolishness. I'm going to stick to my word. I gave my people my word, and I'm going to stick to it and do what I have to do to prove myself that I don't need you to be who I am. I don't need you to create content. I don't need you for people to come and watch me. Because I have word of mouth.
Lolo. Oma wa ti si ona yo wegbe. What's the confusion right now? Imayawa enegbima. What's here now? Imayawa enegbima wa ata lole na liruga itie mo ga so. Get you see the video where you do. You see the video where you do. I want man. They do person like this. This girl really Menon yeti beroma viega. I'm so emotional. I'm so emotional. Hello, good evening. I dey fine. I dey live stream. I have time for speaker. Abemo na no is sultan wala wo. No TV vie kere wala. Thank you. I dey nice.
Keto. Where you want go return? Where you want return the head where you carry go Switzerland?
You know, follow me. Go gather bring am.
If you don't return now, we go donate. We the Yeki fans. We go donate.
May you can't join me. If you don't buy your ticket, send that to me. Mo gather go bring am. Since now that will be your problem.
Join you.
Akin as benu wana all do me social media. Why you not go carry on since you don't know the country? Why say various SFun go? We had a put the head BBB and that is Swaziland. Igi etabo vasabi as a fan. Egbene na Monica ke no gbele jegbere because I do bo wa ewe veni inya ya rise up. Egbene na ke ni Monica amwe bo gbebe platform oge. Egbene na no. Egbene na ke no amwe bo gbe. E mani eta mano yari DNA re ni. Emani yega kama we go and breed DNA o nene mi weti that they call that woman we no say only eti we dokpa we platform me do atama we when you want bring your own no that one don't call or na see anybody wey can't call am one day when they do live stream say Monica o ga popo ma very ni degen we ave yari o were wa gbe ne gbu wa ye gbe wa si obi ere kian be ni ya see all of you na I wish una we be the presenter. E Monica venene la wish wa alwere wakaka but why ave follow na we love why ya no mo boss eki ere ni na amwe ni ya vere ni o je gile ono na gile government yo ti ko sugusu iya do agme no yo so na Monica ide toto abi we to ma be Martin ere Monica gugun wana no wa love e why de gbe do gun yo why they gbe do gbenini so you mean is Monica that you are calling Oyegile initially you were trying to defend who was even a lolo. A lolo when you binane destiny. Ye ma eretinye ya eta magma we mi very okasunu. U wa ye lolo. I'm telling you people, wanite bu wife na. Ave se igwese no you we medin. Ni leli ya ni sinya fivu. Whether those one be ready to cause person you, they're not ready to cause person you. Any na iga hiejo. Uba bania. Isaro he. You are just surprised na lolo fan na be. Not be even Monica fan. But say me because you know say if it was say be lolo fan, they not go, you know. Then nobody go want buy him. He go can't do like say need a fight for Monica, whereas it's not from Lolo. I don't know their strategy finish. I don't know a finish. Wa go make bonainia. Hello. Good evening. I did live video. May I put the phone for speaker? Okay, we dey hear you.
Mama, Monica fan will call. Gonna insult you that at this moment when you say you never like the Joe insult.
No ma ubego magmo. I talk not be I just to finish. I say if you surprised now all those one. Avian is ego seka wano ni back and na wato ni. Now those one they are papa second wife. Inya mwe bog me and webo.
No do am Monica ni aba we
Unyive lolo ware gbono ni oba wetin yen do tell me ni bet oja ere no ya talk destiny if you need the address of that way do you that year come I give you he can't tell people again say he do you this thing he eguzi papa no yes you see as na mama character dey smell follow na mama na gbon ni say we are eje go Naima ni understand the strategy of social media yeah Igo se kana wo heru wa mi obo mi ya zebe we bo wa azo egbe lolo wa izo fun we wa onya yen mo to mai winya ha mo wa no wa ya o ma me block mai wo ha mo wa no wa ya ma
mouth I have a message I can create content and she has proven it okay So yes, the show actually went on despite the fact that Lolo didn't uphold her own end of the bargain. And of course, this is the one I said that Madame said, well, she just heard 4 days later, which I believe it's not true. Okay, and Monica says, I'm still enjoying this challenge. It makes me do what I love so much, advising people, not fighting, which is actually a good thing to hear. I mean, you can choose to do positive things with your page, or you can transform your page into a saga-only space. When people want to get entertained, they come and watch you. When they are done, they are out of there. There is no attachment, no connection with you. That is a shame. But yeah, it's really good to see that what we all put together, initiated by Lolo herself, and every other person took it seriously, that it is really bringing something positive out and really showing us who we really are. You know, both bloggers and analysts, like everyone is really having that moment of self-reflection.
Good evening.
So 13 views on this one. We have that on page.
You see that color we call yours now, God will punish him.
Which color? Wait, fair call, I be the second one.
Wait, fair call. No, not be the second one. Wait, fair call. Wait, saying that you kisan.
Okay, no, we don't conclude that one. Not met that one. I will say cape and
They bring that woman because social media.
nah. Abba say, if I want now, if do I'm more good bunny and not be saying a saga I can't do.
Every time Monica they talk, say, Imagine.
Okay. Over Sabi,
Every time Monica they talk.
May we they see now, as from now and sort, may we they see who they really do saga for the social media. May we they see whether I still the Monica now, because he asked one question, he said, make I continue like this, Abi may we still do as we did before. Wait till they right. Continue like this, stay on your own, continue like this, stay on your own. Alright, golebo, avozani kini yozagba ligbegboa. Awe, remain one. Only one, when it be a cat, only one, remain one, only one, that Kate, no, the other one, only one. Also, any other tier bonnet, severy only. Area ya over Sabi, at your new live video, na my away a day, on na uzo. Uri platform, menu dota my man, ye de mad, why yaka, oh yeah, get girls, see such a pally, apologize. You they fool yourself any year. Now you can't come back and say, Mommy B, you go they follow all the social media, they go, you go they call, you go they share, you go they do this one. You forget you tell they follow everywhere where you go, even insult them by mistake. Say, oh yeah, they another one say, oh see, so apologize. And sorry, Sha. When why swell? Imaredo we saga, ni ya swen si na bere mighty ebono marokpa. Unless you now only bola we or fo. Igwa tie boy, my tie bosin. Ha. Bege dure do atawe ye yan kan come back.
Paper and 300 views.
Ya bono e ko la we kire na me ko view la wa ya mo ngbe.
No, 315. Yes, I have that one. 385. I also have that one. So all these videos of Monica were just neutral videos, not mentioning Lolo
name.
So this 187, I have that on paper.
Thank you, mommy. Thank you.
And she was still talking about Monica, unfortunately. This one 138. I have 138
too.
Let me see. I think I already mentioned that. And Happy says, any moment from now, I will go back to my account. Since they say we should ignore them, if I'm in my real account, I will never blog as posted. Like, I can't even make anything out of it, to be honest. That woman, I don't know. I can't make, and I've always said, like, sagas are part of life. Like, you cannot just totally cut yourself away from saga. You can avoid saga, but if you do saga once in a while, it's just normal, like to respond to something. But when you make saga your main content, then you have a problem.
Not good.
You probably don't have nothing better to do than that.
Thank you, Blessing, for telling us.
So anyways, in total, Lolo had 2,615 viewers watching her live. That also is a shame, because I would think that with Saga, she should have more viewers than Monica. But the reverse is the case. unfortunately for her, not for Monica, because Monica had 6,008 and she had 2,006. That is like 300% lesser, even with the Saga.
6,800, you get.
So if Saga know they sell, we think can't sell.
He give me. Monica get 6,800 without Saga. Lolo can get 3,006. Upon no say na Monday to Friday you take talk Monica matter. Iwa bono ofie kun le luwa wa come for me. Oye wa eruwe train of the UK. Iwa boni. Iwa bono ofie kun le luwa wa do aga we Keta market. Who they watch you now? Keta market. See you not can get followers, you not talk about Lolo. Keta iwa bono ofie kun le luwa. Iwa ye see Paris. Iwa ye fast train, ruwe train. Or why could they will there without no corona test? Or what the UK right now? Unless you were coin can not have wire mudiaji. Eva Bonnie and Avabo. Rio. When you not transfer Tony, 3,600. After all the old says and done. Inside car, Saga. Inside house. Hey, make una consi tap. Oh, oh. Tomorrow, now so he asked. Man, I not believe say na ask be that. Una see the upstairs. Now that upstairs, now outside the day. Una see the parliament, chwe. Una see the bedroom, be like inside camp. Upon all those talkie, 3,600. 3,000. And you know why I turn up because they wake ya. This kind counting. Oye venari. And you know why I 3,600. Long. Entendons, sangan les chances, sangan. 3,600. What do you mean? Blessing, you sure say you can't away. I'm not saying this to make it. Blessing, you can't away. I'm doing this to remind Lolo that she need to pack well. Una go defi say the Sagaran now. I'm just doing this revision. Revision to reverse it again, to play it so that Lolo go no say Saga no dey pay for his side. Saga is not a calling. Saga not be calling. If you cannot walk through your own best friend, another you not go walk. Not go walk.
I don't say. Okay, that is anyway 261 on average per video. 261 viewers. Yes.
Yeah.
So I think right now I'm just going to go to the comments. But, well, with these results, it's clear who the winner is.
2,600. I said 3,000.
Let me read comments.
So
I want to thank Moni Ego Danger. She dropped the first comment. She was already waiting before we started. Thank you for being there.
No.
Accountable to my fans, to my people. And she really did it. Like, I don't know how else to say. Is going to watch if you don't talk about her. And you realize it. That is why she constitutes the higher part of your content. So, like, this is just saying it the way we have seen it in this week.
Only this week, Only this week. Lolo, you see her now. Say, blessing, don't over analyze this thing. So, the best thing for you, Lolo, as a sister, as a former person where I did talk to before, where I know, now they tell Lolo now, say, may all of us, they live like peace. They talk with a bit of love. Little love, not be too much love. Because you don't see her now say, you've lost woefully. When Oibo people come hard, woefully, you've lost it. You understand? Like, now you call for the challenge, and the challenge you call for, you lost it. It's like you asked to go for something, now you bet for something, now you constantly lost time. You supposed to be the one to even, whether somebody take am serious or whether they not take am serious. So as you don't do your video that day, you don't call on that challenge, you suppose just stop me. Just relax me, you see, say, whether you don't know whether person they look you way, not talk and come on. And God even bless you, can't do you well. Me and Blessing can't talk and come out. If now some people, they go, they observe inside house, they say, as this woman call this challenge, make her they watch am. Make her they watch am. Immediately you see, say the first day you do saga. Second day, now so the person now, you don't motivate that one to become a live video presenter. Many live video presenters today now motivate them to come in. That is why they go come in. No, they don't get the reason why. Even people will get reason why now, like us say our daily life. They turn out to our daily lie. Our daily lies. And not true. Now the thing what would they do now? Our daily lies. Our daily lies. Every lies that you people are saying, we need to be coming to analyzing it. All the lie, one they lie every day by day. Our daily lies. They lie. Normally, we need to come out to come they analyze them. If we come out, come they analyze una lies. As our daily lies, una call us. Now we come they analyze una life. Una also now want die. The daily life, now more come they analyze life. Una say you do the lie. You that one, you know this one, you know this one, you know that one. And most people, because I don't tell them for my page, I see and say it is anonymous, it is discreet. If you don't want me to bring it out, I will not bring it out. Because they know that one already. Say I don't post on there, say na anonymous. They go want make I help them hide who they be, their identity and everything. And I not go fit kill them, put down. Just tell me something, tell me story. Say do one like this, help me head down. Just talking like this. I go talking like that. Like tomorrow, by the special grace of God, we have a good topic also for to help our sister. We are coming out to also say it. Otherwise, we go analyze another person wey shit for church, wey use Bible cleaners. We will go analyze that one home. I not go talk now until I bring her up. And one in church or not Bible listen. Abi, now our daily life you dey analyze them. Lolo. So this video now. He say, Lolo, we love you. Make that they cry. Now, person like that, you go love. They don't do you through away. Put the key for river. Oh, before uncle. Before uncle, where you not buy land for Nigeria, you know the help brother, you know the help sister, you know they feed anybody. How you know? Oh, webo hi. No wagasi leg make nyawa. Awere bo awere father. Oh, a bed. They say a bed with this waiting. Una must click, una must know each other, una must recognize each other. You and somebody's spirit go meet. Before you know, una play go scatter. Why? Una way not cleave. Anybody where they are way cleave together, you know say there's something that spirit way they inside you. Una must cleave together. That is why you see a lot of people they cleave with Monica. Why? Enobuka dueke bazabaza neve Nigeria. Enobuka dueke bogane. Enobuka due different market. Ije ke nobunga hiyaga. In short, ade gbenya mo training yanya hiyane. Iya wale mi mana we mo ije ke ije me. Ije agwale na yari oka won bi oja let's go there. Now so it they be. Oh yeah, let's go there. They love her like that. Why? She talk the truth. She not put herself on one high rank. It not be like una when they say una not be illiterate, not be the most educated person. At the end of the day, you behave like a primary school student. You behave like the pupils. So with the advice now, they talk now, say, Sister Lolo. Or rather, you don't even lose the sister self. You are not you lost the game you call for. You not even derive that sister again. You lost the game. See how they shame for you. You just carry yourself, can't take do grant, can't take boloto like this. And they shame. I know say this thing where they talk so you go hook you and marine. It go shock you. I know say your next one now. You don't define who know me well for Belgium. Do research well. Even if you do the right one or not right one. Now here we do because your character always here. No matter how you go slice your nails rich. Ove azon ladian ave mi dan ya noro wo wi hien ni eve no ayere zo blade bien ni here we say ove ya azon ladian o ya azon ladian u ye contest go ekekan emi dani o ye dan hien ara iwo to ye ria nothing go make you change one we are change Facebook iwi for you to change your way for you to mend your way Facebook need to lock e go need to lock na be the thing so Lolo. As we see the matter, Blessed already analyze and don't call score. I don't want to play and pass there. You understand? I mean, not come like say Kate. So the result don't call. We don't call the result. Lolo don't finally lose the game. And also, we are now telling you, let things be. Let some people talk, they die for your body. Don't reply to people. Don't reply to everybody. You can reply to Kate, no problem. But don't be replying to everybody. At least they pick from Monica. They pick from her. He get some kind insult and some kind things where that one go they see sometimes. Not be say not get mad to come talk. He go dey bear and go just dey looking like he not fit. You know this one why use am beg he not fit. You understand? Now so you supposed why you they pick the bad one, you they pick the one where you take the laugh on. You know they pick some style, some ways. Even if people they talk say you copy me, you pick me. No, this life you have mental. There are people you look. Just that we beneath people, we know they admit. We know they agree. Say this person, they like the way small like this. I know they like it. If you mostly talk, if you just use mistake, talk on. Say they like this aspect for your body. Don't just conclude say you don't follow on. I don't know what to be our mentality. There are some people you see, you just like some part in them. You like this way. You try to express your feeling now, wahala. At least, Lolo, for the many years where you and Monica take play, if they pay me say you not get anything where you learn from her. You not go feel learn from her because all the years where you take spend with her, now you marry. Now you day after, you not even get time to really learn and study the type of friend where you they follow. When you make a friend, when you are opportune to have a friend again, when you are opportune to have a good friend again, not be all those one where you don't use your hand scatter. If not be blessing, Njoh wey can't rescue Naomi from your hand. Or run it away phone, and I made me the verse or that one till tomorrow say, you not let me know so now not they play again. I beg my people, if you and person get misunderstanding, they try to talk, even if you know what told them what happen. Even if you know one report to and say, see, just tell and say, no, for now, I just want her to be on a lane. I'm on my own. I just, because of waiting just the ground, I just want everybody to. That one go understand, say, okay. You know, not be say you just say that here for now, I'm that go for now. Me can't they feel like say, na me now can't do una caricature. I was so scared, you know. Now only that one. Now they just say, for not just, but then he go still understand for wherever it dey. Not be my fault, you know. But again, now blessing can't save Naomi for your hand. And Naomi, where you they talk, say you better pass, you do this one. She resists all your talk. She resists you like for real. She don't want to use talkie to Jupitize in makeup thing. People like we, ODL our daily life, even mommy or my yazire, mighty resist here, my resist so the one way not they meaningful. And we will resist those ones. But people like your own who be wants to talk go, I be resist all well. If you resist your not be say, hey. Now be say that they will not say maybe you drink because a lot of don't want you or don't say cigar. But I go a lot of don't say cigar because me so a vibration on your live Facebook me so me to be a lot of don't say cigar. Why I very I mean mani bonetani ya the cigar ya have emotion. Oda na make me away ya invo kene cigar. Odosi because they will regment so we no ya vano. I will so much do with you. He got boo egg me wo video bajone. A lot of dosi tell me no do banyo temu vederio. We be no say they drink alcohol. If not una forget that video na that year. If not be pikin wey can't raise the bottle for ground say mama. Nobody be no say Lolo they take alcohol. We ma ya wa ya be mave na redondi. So una understand? So now be the thing. Now God can't save Naomi for your hand. So for how long are you going to be biting everybody? You know you're the shame. Before you know now this you go just and the thing go just dey so obvious. No matter one she not grow for. Before you know, she go just be cool banana. The thing go just dey obvious. And now she go they laugh people say she's perching everywhere. Today she will be here. Tomorrow she will be here. Next tomorrow. Before you know, before we say Jack Robinson, now and Esther, I don't buy you don't the rub man, I don't the no way. Esther, run no. Only no, baby, day or day, that one not fit talking by mouth, but he know how he go take excuse himself from you. You understand? If another person post that Esther something, don't use mistake post person or share person, may you consider the way we go come they destroy you like. No man, now they go now, but he go they do the thing go feel all right. Please, Lolo, Lolo, make peace reign for social media. As your ex best friend daughter say what they do her own, no problem. No insult to each other, no blogging each other again, because your wings are big man. I think it on how your wings now blessing don't break them. I'm not sure say you go even feel say anything where Monica do now me carry and come and say Mona can't watch you, he has made he shoe made tutu. People go just tell you say it has. They're not go fit. And nobody go fit tell any presenter say if Lolo do video make them no analyze, because now your work for more than how many years. Because say the presenter where they now they get good mind, they not be like you. Otherwise, now where you go one relax, may you rest. Now for they torment you with your video, with saga, with everything. But we are not like that. Everybody not feel like that. Carry it put for one corner. You understand? So if now all the days or person like you, now that time when the person say don't rest, now that time you carry the video, start to the bully now, the use not take the torment, but we not dey like that. Make peace day. Now we day. As if be say na me call ring the bell for Facebook, tell people say challenge one start to. Now make me as blessed don't still conclude, it don't call the result. Now make me still carry the video come and say make I can't still play am for now. Make una see say the thing don't share we don't call result, and for the result na Lolo lose for everything. All the thing when your best friend Monica they talk about na true say na Lolo na they use Monica video take they feed, na they use and take they chop, not be Monica. So all that bragada now where she they do that time, we don't see her say not be Monica they use her own matter take they eat, na Lolo they use her own matter take they eat, because 1 week 7 days 1 week na Lolo take talk about Monica every day by day. He even get one day that day me sef I fear me. That day I put my hand for head like this. He now we Jimmy Katie. You go say you get work. Why we should not the work? We are all by way your social media. He enter Facebook. From Facebook he enter YouTube. From YouTube he give time a little bit. He enter Instagram in the night. Wait, he come they chop this woman. I was praying for now. God see my mind. When he give a mass, and was a go and deliver this woman. Heal her from every pain. Heal her from every pain. Heal her from everything. I was even praying. You understand? Because it's not normal. Person wey really get husband for us, he get happiness. You not go fit follow 3 platform at a blue. Rather, you go just put the phones for them, make that they view you together. Then you enter this one, can't still go enter in the night again. No, you go no say something not really pure. Emi sunu. You understand? Emi sunu. And for how long are you going to be pretending? For how long are you going to be pretending? So Lolo, try to mend your way. It is never too late. It is never too late. Try to bring up something. Everybody is ready to buy. Now Facebook, it is big enough to contain anything. And me also, as our daily life, ODL, me I get right to the analyze wetin I see for life. Make people take the wise. Like this lot of people use and learn where we say, don't build your foundation with lie. Lie, wetin you not be. You not go school, say be graduate, you know. At the end of the day, you go can't dig where people learn. Now this kind of thing, now we suppose they treat on our daily life. People learn that don't wait till you not be, you did not go to school, you will be calling everybody around you illiterate. At the end of the day, now you they behave like primary 1 students. So humble yourself, bring yourself down so that God and people where they watch you go elevate you. Don't put yourself on that high position. Allow people to put yourself there. Allow God Almighty to lift you higher there. You see her now, people talk Monica down. All of us talk her down. I'm not talking about the aspect of insulting parents where I reply and no, let's leave that, because that one nobody dares it. It just be like one music where I see for TikTok where the boy say, you see me so you feel insult me, he go die for my body. If you insult him, mama, he go, you know, I see that music, I was like, wow, you know, people will really know the value of mother or stuff like that. They not go green, more leave that part for inside. Me not come be like say, na because that, no. To see and say, person where you they talk say not go school, you not sabi read and write. Now you teach her how to read, now you teach her how to write, now you teach her everything. Now she can't even behave like who graduate past you. You see her, always humble yourself for God to elevate you. Bring yourself low. That is why I hate people that is always waiting they not be, they'll say they be. Not tell people, let people see her by themselves. Let people they see her by themselves. I'm telling you the truth. Even many people for Belgium, they say, Kate, we don't know what they do for social media. Mama get them, you know, because you know, other place, they not know, they not gonna know you be. I say no, they not need to know who I be. If money there is a plus to me. If money not still there, let us be using it as an activity. My husband dey night shift now. He never come. Before I'll they watch movie or I'll they watch something for television or as a day night shift, you know. You know, I want to have that evening chat with him for 10 minutes or 15 minutes before he go come back. But now, I dey use am for social media. Like, to they tell people, not before bad thing. Not be to they bring people down to come they nyanigbe, they preach hate. They preach how somebody will take God use as a sin. Kill another human being. Lolo, you have done a lot and you have committed a lot of atrocity. And it will be so painful if you continue committing atrocity. It will be so painful if you continue to dey bullying children. That children aspect where you dey bullying is really no go. Children are innocent. At least you have yours. You have kids. Why can't you reason it with yourself? You see, children aspect is no go area. You are a mother or reason now. This is where I will leave it for now. If anything come up that I need to add to it, I will not hesitate to bring it up. We need to tell each other something. All right? We need to tell each other something. If there is anything I need to add to it, I will come out to add to it. Which is very bad. Okay? So, guys, help me, help us. In short, not help me. Why we who you be will help you. Help me, help us, help Edo Voice of Truth for our daughter. Donate. That girl really needs your help now, like you need that now, like never before. Okay, nothing is too small, nothing is too big. Just help the mother to put that child for that special school. And also, my home remedy is there. If you need it, come and get yours. It's working perfectly. When you know, if you know, say your agmotan, your long life, not they work well, you know, they match and well. Contact me and I'm ready to give it to you, and it's going to work fabulously. All right, blessing, Njoh, all thanks to you for the results, for your time. And Agnes, Nelly Black, Joy Thomas, Damo Just. I know if you mention all of your name, to be John, Mommy B, all of you guys, all the freedom fighter. Let me put it that way. All a big thanks to all of you that we see to an end. And then for what I don't know what you do for social media. This month, anybody way come out now make on the constitute nuisance. Wala warefia waruda. Ave no that de na hose warefia wa. All the freedom fighter, not beside the best say they fear anybody. Freedom fighter, warefia wa avec social media redo community yate kulewa no mete gala. Una see and say una don't still solve one problem. Now Lolo not go fit come back on the bragada anymore. Oh, Edo Queen, you are the best. Pretty Sonia and what did they call her? See the shame we go cash all these our myriad them. Oh, yeah, see people we Lolo put to shame. It too much, it too much. A big thanks to all of you. Thank you. Continue with your good work. Continue. I lawyer for una. If I not lawyer, I must lawyer. Anima only lawyer. Lawyer. That is why I have 3 to 4 people here. We normally we not straight. Or your sister, no, ODL, ODL, this one, ODL. If I don't confirm the thing, look at what I can say, okay, this thing is good to go. All right. So thank you, a big thank you. Why fear our big social media? Why fear our big man? Otherwise, you can hear not here Bonnie do now that they cause they say Bini people for social media. Hey, who be the Bini? Na me and you. Na me and you. Not be everybody their husband go allow me come they talk like this. Una no fit talk. So that is it. Please, Mona still continue na good work. May God bless all of you. All right. And if you know say you they support Monica, support her well. That one not me say you come begin support her, they insult, they bullying and other people. No. They beg all of now. Let's keep this thing clean and neat. So that we not come they say, hey, that was a honkunya for my way, you have no. That not me say person do you not feel beer and may you not come out. Our very end bagba, it don't finish. Our will la not be say you can't be eternity the way money Lolo. Take carry the thing like gala. Haba. Who do any I go see any? That is it. Thank you guys. I love you all. If you hate me for no reason, say I can't do this analysis or something. If you hate me for nothing, you don't know me before, you don't know as I take they feed, you don't know as I take they do, you just carry hate me. I pity you because I like you. And if you can't like me because say this girl, I just like him because of a BB guy, I just like him because of the way they talk, or because of one thing, I love you. In short, I love you. And if you can't carry love me when you not even know me, you not be my papa, you not be my mama, you know what I love, you know what I dame, you know what I kwame. In short, I stand up for you. If you need anything for Belgium, say you want me, I go the thing for you. But I'm ready to do it for you. All right, that is me. I'm so open for everybody because I can all right. It's not good for us to be preaching hate for those who don't get hate for their hearts. You need to they preach love to them so that their hearts go, they relieve them. They go get her to love. If anybody have offended you when you was growing up, your papa rape you, your mama treat you like house girl, your sister where you stay with, your uncle where you stay with rape you, or something, your mama not train you well, your papa not train you well, they not pay your school fees, they abandon you now. Anything by thing where you take get that hate for mind, you can't grow up, can't they Europe, can't they deliver the hate for everybody. Not be weak, cousin. If you born, they can't carry your pikin go dash another person when you they grow, they come because say you be small pikin. Or they carry your hand go do abortion, they can't say you not fit born, they remove your womb. Not be weak, cousin. No need where you take hate. Start to they love everybody so that God go they open that way for you. You use mistake carry HIV where you not even know. Not be weak, cousin. No hate anybody. Love people so that God go give you that peace of mind, go give you that heal and deliver you. You use mistake. Take born throw away for many men. You born 3 children, 4 children for 4 men, 5 men. No be we cause we no dey there. I wish I did then I me go for force the man in marriage you. So we no dey there. I beg my sister not put the annoyance to our body. I beg try to the love so that if your children grow up, they go take care of you the way we be saying. People go, they look you, they jealous you. I do I see one in my way. Ijo mo rigo. Ekbonu na suse igbi agiafiwe. I do I see one in my way. But when I tell ya, ugberangbiri because of your predicament, why Toma? You know, so you go sing better song for you. You see, if anything or the other happen to you when they grow up, they can't make you hate everybody, hate everything concerning your life. Please, I'm begging you, when you start to they love yourself today. Stand the mirror for wall. Stand for that mirror. Talk to the mirror. Say, Jessica, I love you because you are created by God Almighty. I love you because God wants me you pass all this situation for you to get your breakthrough for life. I love you because God wants me you experience something so that you go. If you get HIV, for example, you can't love people, you can't like people, you can't they do well. God can't hear you. That thing now you take they give example to other people when you hear say get and say, Mona, I forget how Mona see oh God do my own like this. Maybe that predicament God want me you experience and for you to lecture other people. But if you don't love yourself and deal with it, can you lecture people? The only thing you lecture people with is a thread like Lolo. You will just come out and be telling people how to go kill 2 people where they do marriage. How to give address to who want go sue people for court. How to, because you don't already hate yourself, you want make people follow you, hate everybody. No. All right? Please, I'm begging all of you, start loving yourself. You cannot give what you don't have. Anything you don't have, you can't give it. It's the fact, it's the truth. When you love yourself, self-love, you not go even feel fly. If they fly, you feel they do. Because you love yourself. But if you don't love yourself, you not go fit to. So please, guys, if you hate me, I like you. If you like me, I love you. If you love me, I carry my body for you. Have a blissful, wonderful evening. God bless all of you. And always be the positive vibe. It helps and it pays. Over and out.
Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware.